Today I'm going to make marmalade with only natural ingredients. Most of you will actually have the ingredients at home: oranges, lemon, sugar, water. That is all you need. Now there's nothing better than marmalade on a slice of toast with a cup of tea in the morning. It is one of my favorites. Let's get started with this recipe. Put the oranges in half and the lemon in half. Cut the oranges into thin slices.
An easier option is to use a food processor with a slicing attachment to cut up your oranges and your lemon. It would make marmalading it a lot easier and more enjoyable. Add the orange and lemon slices, including the juices, to the pan.
Pour in the water. Okay, so you bring this to the boil and just stir occasionally. We'll turn that off. Now what we'll do is stir in sugar. So we'll cover this up now and we'll leave it at room temperature overnight, and we'll continue the process tomorrow. So now we're actually going to bring the mixture to the boil. Reduce the heat down to low and let it simmer now for about 2 hours uncovered.
Hit the 2-hour mark. We'll turn the heat up now to bring it to the boil. We're going to boil for about 30 minutes, quite gently, and then stir. Boil till it reaches 220 degrees or until it jellies when tested. All the foam that you can see at the top, I've got to scoop that out. I've added some of the marmalade onto a saucer, so we're just in the fridge to let it set. Now if it's not hard or runny, it's perfect, it's right. But if it's too hard, you've got a little bit of water. If it's too runny, you just got to cook it a little bit more. I'm very happy now with the consistency in the marmalade. I've got that out of the fridge, so I'm very happy with that. Wet with a clean damp paper towel, and then we'll just seal it.